May patikim, may pasilip ang ating SB19 at 1Z Entertainment sa kanilang highly anticipated na simula at wakas World Tour concert. Super excited ang buong bayan at 18.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a...
Kaya antabayanan ang Dam 3 sa Bonifacio High Street ngayong April 4 to May 4. Kaya naman, good luck SB19 at syempre super excited ang lahat ng fan at 18 sa concert sa Philippine Arena.